Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing your device and opening Facebook. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to adjust. Tap the profile icon on mobile or the arrow on desktop to reveal settings and privacy. Once visible, select settings immediately to avoid extra navigation. You're doing this so only chosen people see your activity. Privacy defaults are broad. While the menu loads, note whether you'll adjust profile, posts, or activity log. This determines the specific privacy controls you'll change next. Now you'll focus on the controls that actually limit visibility. Go to Privacy Settings or Run Privacy Checkup. It guides you through key items. Change future posts to friends or custom, and review past posts with the limit option to avoid old public content. Then open Profile and Tagging to restrict who can post or tag you. Make sure to review contact info, birthday, and relationship sections. Set each to friends, only me, or a custom list so you control exactly who sees what. Finish by tightening ancillary settings that leak data. Under Apps and Websites, remove unused apps and set app visibility to only me. Turn off public search linking and limit who can see friend lists. Enable two-factor authentication and check active sessions to close unknown logins. If a change doesn't apply, clear your browser cache or log out and back in, then recheck. If problems persist, try another device to isolate a local cache issue. This usually resolves stubborn visibility mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.